post-sale considerations, things that are going to help you enjoy your life more by thinking ahead and knowing right now kind of what you're wanting. Kind of like how we started with the why. This one is a little bit about the why too. And so what you want to do is ahead of time is creating that financial plan for your life. You're going to know how you're going to manage the proceeds as they come in. So what allocation you're going to do to investments, savings, and new ventures. For example, uh, you know, there's a lot of times in life that knowing how that money's going to happen and what it's going to drive you forward, it's going to make a big impact, make you help be more successful. Something that you want to do is you want to ask this buyer, hey, do you want me to stay plugged into the business or do you want me to be stay away? By having that clear communication, asking specifics, many buyers are going to say, you know what, I'd really like for you to step back. Don't necessarily pursue relationships with the clients. Don't pursue relationships with the employees. Just stay clear. That will let the new owner and his team come in and kind of help lead the system forward from their time on. You know, what you want to do is you want to have a predetermined plan about what you're adjusting to life after the sale, because it can be a little bit different if you've been doing it 40, 60 hours a week, especially for 10, 15 years. You're going to want to find new hobbies, find part-time work, or start a new venture. There's one guy, Joey, of Wolf's Auto Detailing. He was focused on maintaining a balanced work life after the sale. So before he was working all the time, and then afterwards he's like, "Hey, look, I don't need to do that." And so selling your business will open up new opportunities. It'll help you pursue new interests, and you could possibly start a new business or enjoy retirement. This is a cool thing. You get to stay open to new possibilities and continue learning and growing. So, a big takeaway from this segment is you want to create a financial plan to think about your future goals. And in our final video, we're going to share success stories and final tips. Thanks for watching.